Allow greetings from Camino. Sometimes we desire so much to get some help, to get a counsel from somebody, to get something, or expecting a person that they desire to meet on their way in life. And then what happens? Our expectations sometimes are causing that a person is coming, the help is arriving, and all the other things that we have desired, we are coming, but we don't see them, and we remain without all the things that we desired, so helpless, so because we have created in us an image of what and how this help, person, people, and things shall happen, and the reality is a different one. So people were expecting, and they expect every time prophet, because prophets are so helpful to show us the way to respond to our things that are causing us inner chaos, and we desire them. But people have refuted him because of his so difficult, maybe personality, way of acting, maybe a little tense personality. So they thought, no, he's maybe not the right prophet or not a prophet at all. And similar things are happening to John the Baptist. John the Baptist is also a person who is a very difficult, because he's choosing a way which seems so strange, and maybe they are asking themselves, oh no, I don't want to meet such demands on my way. I don't want to be confronted with such demands. So maybe I will not consider him as a prophet. But so in case of Elia, in case of John the Baptist, so many people have seen in him a true prophet and somebody extremely important. Maybe all those people were not on the crucial positions, were people who have maybe arrived at this point of their life that they said, I have to change, maybe my expectations are making me blind. So this gospel is about that, I think, that we need to learn from people who were ready to open their eyes on John the Baptist and maybe modify our expectations.